Mini Waffle Maker Machine, by Dash. DMW001GY. Review. Are you looking for Mini Waffle Maker, perfect for preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner and dessert? Waffle Maker Machine, by Dash, is ideal to waffle your treats and snacks into single-serving portions. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. On-the-go meals. Dash Mini Waffle Machine is a quick and healthier way to cook eggs, omelets, pancakes, hash browns, breakfast sandwiches, quesadillas, pizza, cookies, and more. It's perfect for making breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. Great for kids, or on the go. Easy to use. Simply plug it in, wait 1 to 3 minutes until preheated, and when the indicator light shuts off, letting you know it's time, you can begin cooking. The dual 4-inch non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for quick, efficient, and consistent results each and every time. Compact and lightweight. Its small size and space saver, weighing 1 pound plus, makes it as a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper, RV traveling. Cool touch handle allows you to keep your hands safe when opening and closing lid. Easy to clean. The dual, non-stick, and textured cooking surface, for stick-free cooking, easily wipes clean. No tools or harsh detergents are needed. All non-electric parts are easily wiped clean also. Dash Mini stores neatly in most standard 18-inch kitchen cabinets. Warranty and packaging. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker includes recipe book and recipe database access. Safety. The non-slip feet keep your waffle maker stable and safe to use. Based on over 29,570 customer reviews, and overall 4.7-star rating on Amazon. Mini Waffle Maker, by Dash, is a popular machine to make paninis, hash browns, and even biscuit pizzas on the go. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. 5 stars. Surpassed my expectations. Definitely one of the best purchases I have made on Amazon so far. If you are feeding breakfast to a whole family of 5 or more, then this may not be for you. However, because of its size, it works quicker than a normal-sized one. So, even though you can only make one small waffle at a time, each waffle should be done in about a minute or two. The interior is also non-stick. So, it is really easy to clean, which was a huge bonus for me. On top of that, it comes with a little instruction pamphlet that tells you how to use, and also include recipes and recipe ideas. Personally, I love it. It's what I wanted, and more. Says Crystal. 5 stars. I love this waffle maker. I am the only one who eats waffles in the house. So the size is perfect for me. For the Belgian waffle recipe I used, I only needed to use maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter to make a waffle. Any more than 2 to 3 tablespoons, and the batter is dripping out the sides as it cooks. 3 waffles, and I'm full. I would suggest to cook the waffles well, where the middle isn't soggy, is to wait until the light comes, and put your batter in, then wait until 3 light cycles, and voila, tasty waffles. Says K. Edwards. 5 stars. I can't stop cramming random stuff into my new, tiny waffle maker. Yes. Tiny Eggo-sized waffles. Put anything into it. Hash browns, tater tots, waffle mix, canned biscuits. Add nuts and berries, and things. It even comes with a little recipe booklet. It fits in the palm of your hand. You could literally stuff it in the back of a drawer, but you won't, because as soon as you get it, everyone wants mini waffles for every meal. It heats up super fast, and is a breeze to clean. If you're making a whole mess of waffles, be sure to give it a quick spritz of non-stick spray every couple waffles or so it doesn't render delicious waffles asunder. Excellent value. Buy 10 of them, and a food truck, you'll be in business. Says Bryce Pierce. 5 stars. Perfect size waffles for breakfast sandwich machines. I love my mini waffle maker. I have made many different types of waffles, and the best part is that the size of the waffles I make fit perfectly in my breakfast sandwich maker, where cook the egg on top, and then combining everything together, once done, into a sandwich. I've made little sandwiches and grilled tater tots too. The perfect book to go with this is the Mini Waffle Maker Cookbook, sold separately. Says Melissa Lonergan. 3 stars. Just okay. I bought this because I love their rapid egg cooker, but this is nowhere near as good. First, the waffles are extremely small. I realize it's a mini waffle maker, but these are extra mini, a size meant more for my 2-year-old than for anyone else. Second, it takes quite a long time to cook such a small waffle. I have a full-size waffle maker that cooks faster. Overall, I was disappointed with this mini waffle maker. Says Sean Johns. 1 star. Awesome, until it stops working, after less than a month. This worked great. Until the last day, it was eligible for return. At this moment, I own 2, and just ordered a 3rd. Then, the bottom half of this Dash stopped working. I am fortunate that I could return it. Now I will wait and see how the other one does. I am a little nervous about the 3rd one I ordered. I do not think I will be buying any more. Says Robert Rodriguez Jr. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.